Welcome to Elements Copy and Sync demo on how to improve incident resolution by facilitating support and dev collaboration across Jira instances. Meet our demo's characters. Clara is a customer, Susie a support agent working in France, and Ryan a developer based in Germany. At Tellurian, support and development teams are located in different countries and work in different Jira instances. Clara, our customer, is having an issue with her product. She is raising a request on the customer portal with summary, description, component, and attachment. Clara's ticket is now open. Let's see how support and dev teams will work on it. Susie, the support agent working from France, receives the customer ticket in her Jira Service Management instance. She changes the status to escalate the issue to the dev team working in a different instance. Susie is informing the developer about the upcoming ticket. The status change automatically triggered an Elements Copy and Sync recipe that cloned the issue to the other instance and linked them together. Ryan, the developer based in Germany, receives the cloned issue in his Jira instance. The two issues are now linked and synchronized together. Comments are also synchronized between the two issues. Back to the support team in Jira Service Management. Ryan's comment has been synchronized to the other Jira instance. Comments can also be synchronized with the portal to keep the customer in the loop. Elements Copy and Sync allows the synchronization of any fields like attachments between the source and cloned issues. Ryan receives the synchronized attachment on his Jira issue. The attachment has been synchronized in Ryan's instance without any intervention from Susie. Ryan solved the bug and changes the issue status in Done. Status update is automatically synchronized with the original source issue. The incident has been solved very quickly, and all stakeholders have been informed in real time thanks to Elements Copy and Sync automatic status update.